Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shrisha, of course. And of course, I won't bore you with a long old intro. Just wanted to touch bases again. I recorded a video earlier and I'm not sure when it's going to go up, but to be honest, soon. But I recorded earlier and I was letting y'all know about the networking event that I was going to go to and that it was canceled and blah blah blah, and I was supposed to go home and just figure out what I needed to do. I think what I'm going to do is, I was on my drive home just really thinking that for a while, like a while ago, I was really motivated, really dedicated, and just really on my stuff when it came to my business and just creating stuff and doing stuff for myself and the things that I wanted to do. And I really, really want to get back to that. So I'm just so ready to not have any excuse. And it's hard sometimes because it seems like, you want to tell yourself stop making excuses. But when you have life where it consists of having a 9-to-5 job and having to take care of kids and take care of home and still try to do things for yourself, it's like you cannot get the things done that you actually want to get done. But I need to go back to a time when I was really on my square. Like, I feel like I become so stagnant because life just continues to push me down, push me down, push me down. But like I said before, what I will never do is allow it to stop me. So I'm really just trying to get back in the flow of doing things, and I really want to build my channel, build my business, and build myself back up to a point where I can be proud of it. I'm always proud of myself because I feel like I am one of the hardest working people that I know. I feel like I'm one of the most dedicated people that I actually know. So I know for a while it's going to be uncomfortable for me to get back to it because I kind of been focusing my attention on other things like work or things around my house that I need to do or whatever the case. But I really want to get back to a place of growing and doing things and developing things and getting back to being able to inspire people and help people the way that I really want to. So right now, I'm sitting in my car because I literally just pulled up to my house. So it is 7:24, and when I tell y'all, I'm literally exhausted. Like, I feel like my body is just going to shut down on me. And that has happened to me before, and I don't want that to happen to me again because it's not fun, of course. But right now it's 7:24, and I think what I'm going to do is just go in and get a power nap. And I know it sounds crazy to take a nap at 7 p.m., but I really want to get things rolling for myself, and I know I got to push myself. So I'm going to go in and take me a nap, and then I'm going to get back up and work on my business. Like, since the event got canceled, I really didn't have anything else planned to do today because I knew that event was going to last until 10 p.m. and I probably wasn't going to get home till like 10:30, 10:45 tonight. But since I now have that additional time, I'm going to rest a little bit and then I'm going to get back up. So it'll probably be a long night for me. So the plan is for right now, because I'm planning to do my relaunch on September 20th, I want to start developing those products and things like that and create a schedule for myself so that I can stay on task to make sure it happens, because this is crunch time. It is August 29th. So it's not like I have a whole lot of time to play with. So like I said, I'm going to go in and take a nap, and then I'm going to get up and make some vessels for my candles, my cement vessels. I'm going to make a few of those tonight. That way they have time to cure, and that way when I'm ready to pour my candles this weekend or next week, whenever the case is, those will already be ready and out of the way. And then what I'm also going to do is I recorded 2 YouTube videos that are still sitting on an SD card. So I want to get those edited tonight and get those scheduled. I don't know when I'm going to work on the thumbnails or descriptions or things like that. I need to write that into my schedule, but I really want those videos to start going up for next week. So I just want to get the ball rolling. I'm excited. I really miss people sending me messages letting me know that I inspire them. And it's not really for me, it's that I feel like my purpose is to help people. So to hear people say that back to me lets me know I'm working in the right direction. So I'm going to go in and let my body get some rest, and then I'm going to get back up, and then I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm working on something new. Okay? Okay, you guys, so these have been sitting for, let me see, what time is it? Oh, yes. Okay, so these I did this morning before I went to work, and they are ready to demold. I'm going to demold them for you guys right here, right now. I'm actually rushing because if you heard in my last video, I am getting ready to go to a networking event, but I want to get these demolded, and I also want to go ahead and make the big ones before I go, and I'm rushing. Okay, so let's see how this one looks. And I realized after I did these, I forgot to add the white powder to them. So this is what it looks like. Cool, cool. This actually is more blue than I wanted it to be, but I actually like it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if you like. The only thing that I don't be liking about these sometimes is I'll have more of the lighter color on one side. But let me know what you think about that one. And let's go to number 2. I actually think, we'll see. I might have to get an outside sealer for these. I usually don't seal the outsides because I just kind of like the look of it as it is. But I might seal it. So let me get this one out if I can. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. It's like parking in a parking spot, a tight parking spot. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see what this one is giving. Ooh. Okay, look at this one. Okay, this one is a little bit more even. Oh, the inside is pretty. Can you see it? Hey, let me see. Let me get in the light. This one has the lighter on that side. And a little swirl on here. It's actually really cool. So those are those two. And they look like that together. Those are pretty good. Again, I'm going to clean these up and see if... Because when I rub my hand, I don't see the blue. I think it's just from me touching on that stuff. But I don't want it to carry like a blue powder on the outside. So I am going to move these and clean this up. And then real quick, I'm going to go through and do that one. And then that'll be that. Okay, I already measured everything out for this one. I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up. If I sound crazy, it's because my mask is on, so don't be alarmed. Let's get this mixed in. This one is only going to pour one because my bowl is too small to do 2 of the big ones in here, so we got to do 2 batches of this one. Real quick. Try to be careful because the last time I added too much water and that's why I had to keep pouring the regular color in there. A little bit of water really goes a long way with this stuff. You see I was running, but it's okay. We're going to use that as it is. That's fine. And I'm just going to use the rest of this water in there. I think I'm going to do this the same way. Usually I pour a little bit of each one at a time, but I'm just going to do this the same way I did the other one because I kind of want them to look consistent. You just bounce it to get the air bubbles out. Let's see, I'm going to try to zoom it to see if you can see the bubbles coming up to the top. Tapping on the sides. That one to the side. And I'm going to do this one and then I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I am going to wrap up this video here. Here are, I hope you can see them, the vessels that I have. Those will be ready to demo by the time I get home. from this networking event. And unfortunately, I don't have enough storage left on this SD card to continue on with the event, so I will start a new video for this event. I'm really excited. So far it's still on, it's not canceled like the other one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below and let me know what you think about the blue vessels. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.